In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication on your GitHub account. This is a crucial step in keeping your account secure and ensuring that you have an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Let's dive in and walk through the process together so you can complete this setup quickly and confidently. First things first, head over to the GitHub dashboard by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to github.com. Once you're on the main page of the GitHub site, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see an icon resembling a small circle, or possibly your profile picture. This is your profile icon, and we'll need to click on it to access the next set of options. After clicking your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, we're looking for the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings to take you to a new page where we can start working on securing your account. Once you're on the settings page, glance over to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a list of different settings categories. We want to make sure that we're in the right place, so look for Password and Authentication. If you're not already there, give it a click to select it. Now that we've navigated to the correct section, let's scroll down toward the bottom of this page. You should see an option for Enable Two-Factor Authentication. This is the key to adding that extra security to your account. Click on this option to start the setup. At this point, you'll have a choice of two methods for setting up two-factor authentication, using an authenticator app or receiving SMS messages. If you're using an authenticator app, now is the time to get it ready. Open the app and look for an option to scan a QR code. On the GitHub page, you'll see a QR code generated specifically for your account. Use your app to scan this code. Once scanned, your app should give you a temporary verification code. Enter this code into the field provided on the GitHub page to complete the process. Alternatively, if you prefer using SMS for authentication, you can select that option instead. Just input your phone number when prompted, and GitHub will send you a verification code via text message. Enter this code on the website to confirm and finalize setup with the SMS method. And that's it. You've successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your GitHub account. This small but significant step boosts your account security and gives you more peace of mind. Thanks for following along, and keep your